Hey guys, this is Eric with Just Gaming Electronics. Today I'm just going to show you how to replace the B logo that is missing. This is the good one, this is the bad one that I will be showing you guys how to replace. So you can find these parts on our website or in the product page located on the screen. All we're going to need is some B7000 glue and the logo. So firstly, let's take our glue, unscrew the cap. I'm just gonna go like this because there's not that much left in here. And we're just gonna try to apply a small amount. And then move down. And you don't gotta be too precise here. It's okay to just let it kind of string. It's kind of what it does. Then I'm gonna go around the other side. And all we're trying to do is get all around here. And sometimes I'll just go through again with this, with the tip of the glue. And now that you have enough applied here, this should be enough. This is plenty here. We're gonna apply the B logo. And I kind of line it up on the left side. And then I'll push it in. You'll see it kind of fits in like a glove in a hand. Then I'll press down. I'll let my thumb be on. You want to let it cure for like 20 seconds to 30 seconds. That's what I would say. And then after, you can kind of grab anything you have laying around the house, a rag, maybe a microfiber. That's what we have here. Clean up any excess glue that you might get on there until you get a clean logo. So you can see it's cleaning up. You can let it sit, I'd say for an hour, to make sure that this finishes curing before you use it or you do anything with it. And with that being said, again, B7000 glue, you can find it on our website, and the B logo as well. Eric with Just Gaming Electronics, peace out. Have a good one.
Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you guys love what we do, please support us. You guys can click on the links that we have on the end screen. You guys can buy our parts, sales, or service so we can continue to make great videos for you guys for many more years. Thank you.